Today we're at 407 33rd Avenue North in Myrtle Beach. This is a beautiful beach house. Right off the Golden Mile. Ocean Boulevard is right here. The ocean's right on the other side of that. It's got some of the most fantastic landscaping I've seen in a while. Beautiful palmetto trees, oak trees. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house that has a little studio out back with its own full bath and little kitchenette, and obviously a garage. You can see the garage door from here. Wonderful lot, close to the beach, although we're not in a flood zone. Lots of updated features. Both structures had new roofs within the last 5 years, new HVAC systems, new tankless on-demand hot water heater. This is a natural gas home, so the house does have gas line to it. Little front stoop here. I'm going to kind of pan out to the yard. Again, I love these oak trees. I love all the palmetto trees. Just a really nice house. Right when you walk in, you'll notice you've got real hardwood floors. Nice living area here with a fireplace. And the fireplace does have a natural gas line to it. Nice flow to this home. It's a split design, so the guest bedrooms are off on this side of the house and the master bedroom's in the back. We're gonna go along to the right here. We've got some built-in cabinets. Lots of natural light. Beautiful kitchen here. This fabulous fridge conveys. Really high-end white cabinets. Solid surface. I believe these are Corian countertops. Nice big eat-in kitchen. Again, lots of natural light. You can see the driveway and the little studio out back in the garage. Ceramic tile floors. Really, really pretty kitchen. And a nice bar top here. Nice size laundry room, and look at this. Cedar. So this beach house was built back in the 1950s, but it's been added on to and improved over the years. Again, natural hardwood floors. Lots of storage. Here's another cedar storage closet. This house has so much character. It's got its own safe that it comes with. Another storage closet here. We've got 2 guest bedrooms. One in the front of the house. Love all the windows, love the lights. Love the beadboard ceiling. Really neat fixture or feature. Ceiling fans. Closets with pocket doors. And there's me. Hi. I forgot that there were mirrored doors here. Again, nice size closets, go all the way back with built-in shelving. Lots of nice little neat features in this home that you don't see in houses anymore. We've got the bath here, and it is tiled. Water closet, linen closet right here in the bathroom, built-in shelving. Nice tub shower combo, sink. Again, beadboard ceilings in here. They're really, really pretty. Here's another guest bedroom here. Kind of mirrors the other room. Lots of natural light, ceiling fans, and again, the same kind of closet with the pocket doors and the mirrors. So we're back out. Again, this is the front door. This goes back to this nice big living room. We'll head back to the master suite side of the house. So between the kitchen area and the master bedroom, we have a little den, study, office, library. Neat little setup right here. It's an extra room you can use. Again, lots of windows, lots of natural light. There's another door here that goes outside. So you can go from here right outside. Nice brickwork. Again, nice palmetto trees. But we'll be back there in a second. Master bedrooms here. Nice bamboo floors, ceiling fans, smooth ceilings, crown moldings, pocket door into this beautiful master bath. You've got double sinks, a jacuzzi tub, a nice, huge walk-in closet, and then this door leads to the water closet and a shower with a seat. So this bathroom has its own shower with a seat and a jacuzzi tub, and it is a big jacuzzi tub. There's me again. Hi. I've already talked about the yard, but I've only talked about the front yard. The backyard is spectacular. You've got a huge elevated wooden deck, and then look at this. So much of Myrtle Beach, everything's been clear cut and it's scrub pines. This is all hardwoods. These are all oak trees. And yes, I'm including the neighbor's oak trees because the views are incredible. It's beautiful. You can hear the cicadas. Nice fenced in yard. Here's the little garage and studio. We'll be in there in a minute. Palmetto trees, palm trees. It's great. There's a nice detached storage room here. And like I said earlier, you've got your own tankless on-demand hot water heater. I also mentioned that this house has new HVAC systems, well, new within the past 5 years. Look at this gas pack, gas heat, train HVAC system for the main house. There's a brand new HVAC system for the studio apartment back here in the back. It's just a beautiful yard. I can't say enough about it. It's gorgeous. Nice fencing here too. This is looking back out towards the front of the house. This structure also has had a new HVAC system and a new roof in the past 5 years, and let's check this out. Wow. We've got a huge studio here. Nice high ceilings, crown moldings. Nice plant shelves and lighting. Really, it has a lot of character. And like I said, this has its own kitchenette. And then a fantastic garage here. So you've got an oversized single car garage with built-in shelving. This door goes back out to that yard we were just looking at. There's the deck in the back of the house. There's water out here, and if I remember correctly, there was a refrigerator in here at one point in time. Nice little kitchenette. And then you've got your own bath with a beautiful tile shower right here. I'm always amazed at how high the ceilings are in this studio. Everything's really big and really nice. So this is a fantastic 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a full studio, kitchenette, full bath, single car garage out back. One of the best yards I've seen in years. Come take a look at this house before it's too late. This one's not going to stay on the market very long. My name's Jay with Century 21 Boling in Myrtle Beach. Give me a call. My number is 843-222-9135. Of course, all my contact information and information about this beautiful house is right here below in the YouTube comment section. Come see it before it's too late.